With the highly anticipated Bryan Adams concert set for December 10th at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Shillong, the government has assured the public that traffic management will be improved to minimize disruption. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh acknowledged that while road infrastructure in the city is growing due to economic expansion, efforts will be made to streamline logistics and ensure smooth traffic flow, stating that the state government intends to make this event as hassle-free as possible. He emphasized that Shillong's music-loving crowd will benefit from such international events.
Shillong, the roads are narrow, buildings are coming up and mushrooming, which again is a sign of the economic growth of the state. For Bryan Adams, we certainly will ensure that we minimize inconvenience to the public. In fact, holding of these festivals is primarily to encourage tourist inflow into Meghalaya.
Steve Jirwa, the winner of India's